Okay, so last week I told you about an exciting new stock pick I was making in the Insider Report and how I thought this was going to move extremely fast. The first day, it did. We were up 7-8% the first day, but something changed on the last 2 days of the week. Now, if you've been watching the market, you know Thursday was an enormous sell-off. The Dow was down something like 1,800 points. We had more big selling Friday morning, then it popped back in the afternoon. But what that's done for you is open the window to this trade once again. Now, let's take a look at the chart, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is a small, little-known tech stock I recommended to new members last week. We got it on this candle over here, the third from the right candle, right in here. We got in around $9. As you can see, the thing quickly bounced up. It was around $9.50, $9.60, $9.70, and then Thursday, Friday happened. The market sold off, bounced back around here. So it's still right there around our buy range. Now, if you're not familiar, you don't remember last week's video, this is a little-known tech stock that is on the verge of a huge turnaround. Now, when you stretch this chart back, you notice this thing IPO'd back in late 2018, came out at around $32 a share. It's one of those Internet of Things stocks, and at the time, that whole sector was really hot. All the stocks are way up, so if you're a private company like this one was, and you want to take advantage of those high prices in the market, that's when you go public. You IPO, you sell a bunch of your stock at a huge price, taking a bunch of cash for the company, and then you see what happened afterwards. The thing was pretty much a dumpster fire from 32 down to around $4. But as we zoom in here, the last month has been huge for this stock, and I think the next two are going to be as big, if not even bigger. So we're up from, $4 to around $9.50 right now. Take a look at the insiders buy. Of course, the big reason I'm getting in this stock is those in the know are buying it, the folks who have an inside look at things. Take a look at these buys. When I made you this video last week, there were only these bottom four. We got another buy 2 days ago as another director piles in for another 50 grand. So we've got buys of $1 million, 460,000, 100,000, 50,000. Look, these are not fat cat seven-figure CEOs. These are company directors. These are people with probably six-figure, $100,000, $150,000 salaries, putting these size chunks of cash into the stock. And if you look at where they bought, $8.50, $9, $9.50, most recent one at $9.75, and here we are trading $9.50, so you can get in at or even below where some of these top insiders bought. Now, this is a company that does not see a lot of insider buying, which usually means it's a opportunistic kind of trade, right? They're getting in because something has changed. Take a look at the volume, the insider buy volume for this stock since it went public. The green bars are buys, the reds are sells. The higher these bars are, that means the more volume is traded. Now, we had one little pop here at the end of 2019, and I want to show you what happened with that. This is when they bought on the chart here. It's this gap down. Do you see this right here where the thing went in late October from around $15, chopped way down here to $9? Well, they started buying right in there, right before the stock jumped about 50% over the next 6 weeks. Well, here we are back today with off-the-chart buying. I mean, this thing is literally going off the chart. That's a monthly candle. That's for the month of June. It is currently June the 12th, the 13th, I'm sorry, today. We're not even halfway through the month, and we're already seeing double the highest level of insider buying the stock has ever seen. So, target for this stock, we're getting in this thing around the $9 mark. You still got plenty of chance to get in. As I scroll out, you see the volume profile here. Really, the next big markup is right about here, around $21, $20.50 a share. So I think we could see a relatively quick 110, 115% on this stock as it pushes back higher. I've also recommended a call option with this trade. It is currently trading for $1 per contract. It's $100 per contract. And obviously, if we get the move I'm expecting, you're talking about making several 100% on this option. So if you want to learn more about this stock, the other companies in our portfolio, maybe the full ticker symbol, all the research, everyone who's buying, the full details on this trade, our current open positions, as well as the opportunities we're going to continue to find over the coming months and the coming year, click the link below this video. I've got an on-demand training session where I cover our entire methodology. I'm going to show you how to find these insider trades, which ones are worth watching, and which ones you need to avoid if you don't want to suffer losses. I'm going to show you the top buy signals in that space. I'm going to show you our entire approach to trading, how I run stops, how I use targets, the entire thing. It's about an hour long, and again, it's completely free. It's on demand. All you got to do is click the link below, learn more about this highly profitable method of trading and the service I run called the Insider Report. So go ahead and click that link now. Watch the free on-demand video, and I promise you will never trade stocks the same way again.